Welcome to ABC Seamless, and thank you for your time and interest. If you're like most homeowners, you've been doing some research, learning about products and companies, and searching for the best solution for your home. We hope that's what brought you to the world's largest seamless siding company, ABC Seamless, the siding without the quacks. This distinct phrase launched a whole new era in house siding. Homeowners now enjoy seamless exterior walls with no joints, no splices, no cracks, or as one creative ABC employee coined the phrase, no quacks. It was from this that the ABC Seamless Duck was hatched, with open arms, inviting everyone to experience our seamless advantage. For most people, their home is their largest investment, and it only makes sense to protect that investment the best they can. That's why more and more homeowners are turning to ABC Seamless to ensure the highest level of beauty, protection, and peace of mind from a company known for its exceptional integrity and values, deep-rooted experience, superior products, and skilled craftsmen that homeowners can trust. You can count on us because we're on your side, the seamless side.
With nearly 100 franchises across the country and growing, you might say we're one of the largest small-town companies in the nation. We're listed in Qualified Remodeler's Top 500 ranking, holding a position within its top 10 remodelers in all of America for more than 25 years. ABC Seamless is recognized as the original and foremost seamless steel siding company in the world. This amazing siding, an offspring from today's popular seamless steel gutter, was introduced to the world in 1978 by ABC Seamless and has revolutionized the siding industry. To give you an idea of how popular it truly is, ABC has now installed enough seamless steel to encircle the globe more than 3 times. That's over 75,000 miles of premium steel. Talk about a world of experience. Homeowners love it, they trust it, they ask for it by name, ABC Seamless.
Of course, there are other siding products on the market, but be careful which siding you choose. You can still buy wood siding, although it is quite vulnerable to weather and humidity, and far less popular since it requires frequent maintenance, with scraping and painting every few years. Now that can be costly, time-intensive, and extremely dangerous if you're the one climbing the ladder. In fact, in the construction industry alone, both OSHA and the CDC warn that accidental falls remain the leading cause of injury or death, with nearly half of those attributed to ladders. And then there's vinyl siding. It's far less reliable than you might imagine. Vinyl can quickly fade and weaken as the sun bakes away the plastic polymers, leaving only a fragile, brittle shell. Hailstorms can destroy it, and objects thrown by lawnmowers, snowblowers, or the kids can easily crack it, break it, or even put holes in it. Or worse, if a strong wind gets beneath an open gap or seam, it could tear the siding right off the wall. That leaves you with the job of picking up the pieces. And if that strong wind was accompanied by heavy rain, prepare yourself for some potentially costly water damage too. Think about it. Have you ever seen a vinyl siding salesperson show you a sample of a seam? Well, instead they tell you how they can hide them. But homeowners have caught on to that trick. Those seams are hidden only from one direction. Even if you lived on a one-way street, pedestrians and visiting guests still have the pleasure of spotting a few dozen gaps and splices, up to 180 of them on a typical home, even more on a larger house. And each seam is vulnerable to rain, wind, snow, and dust, not to mention insects settling in for the long run. No homeowner wants that. Or perhaps you're considering other more costly alternatives like cement board and today's new engineered siding like SmartSide or True Exterior. Beware! Do your research before buying these products. SmartSide and fiber cement board, for instance, require special preparation, priming, and painting at every cut to ensure the warranty remains in force. Those cuts are found where the panels are trimmed to fit dormers or along windows and around doors. Priming and painting those end cuts can be very time-consuming and costly to the contractor. Do you think they follow those procedures on every cut? If they don't, the warranty is void, and you're left with a gallon of paint so you can touch up the wall. It's another great opportunity for ABC Seamless to save the day. With ABC, you avoid the risks that lead to expensive repairs or even more costly replacement down the road.
Now let's see what makes ABC products so unique and why more homeowners are choosing ABC over all the other choices. To begin, ABC Seamless gets its steel, all American-made steel, from one supplier, Arrowhead Products. Our long-standing relationship with this company started in the mid-1970s as the ABC concept was only beginning to evolve. Throughout the years, Arrowhead has made ABC's premium steel coil exclusively and solely for ABC Seamless, producing it specifically to meet our high standards and specifications. No other steel siding product in the industry can match the value and durability of ABC Seamless. Arrowhead receives its American-made steel in large, heavy coils and shipments weighing roughly 45,000 pounds. These rolls are then cut to smaller widths so the steel can be loaded onto the coating line. There, each coil is washed and cleaned to remove any dust, dirt, oil, or other contaminants. Next, a layer of chromate is applied, along with additional galvanization to maximize its resistance to corrosion or rust. And finally, to further shield the steel against the elements, multiple layers of tough, resilient, space-age coatings are applied, including an ultraviolet finish on ABC's Duck Matte products. The coatings are baked onto the steel in superheated ovens to ensure a strong, permanent, lasting bond. Once cooled, the roll is wrapped into shorter coil lengths, each weighing about 800 pounds. Some of this steel is also used by Arrowhead to manufacture our color-matched finishing materials, including J-channels, corner posts, soffit, and fascia. This ensures the same durable strength and the same paint finish as our steel siding and roofing. Finally, it's all transferred to the warehouse for storage until shipped to an ABC Seamless franchise. And that's where the final custom manufacturing magic begins. Homeowners tell us that the process at their home was amazing. As one curious young observer asked, "Grandpa, how can they get such a big piece out of that little trailer?" That was a very good question.
You might compare it to a retractable tape measure. See how the coil is fed into a machine? Notice that the steel on the coil is flat and smooth. As the material passes through the machine, the top lock and nailing slots are created, and the bottom lock and weep holes are formed. The embossing of the material also occurs. This first stage basically creates a flat, straight, textured panel with top and bottom locking systems. The actual formation of the panel's design and its contoured styling happens immediately after, just before it comes off the machine. Now watch as the operator runs it out to the exact length needed to fit the wall and makes the precision cut. It's then carried away to be installed. However, before it goes on, ABC blankets most homes with a layer of energy-saving, sound-baffling insulation. This adds even greater protection, helping you stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. You'll likely see a reduction in your energy bills, too, and we're certain you're going to enjoy that. Yet what really sets us apart is that your home is wrapped in ribbons of steel, virtually shielding your home when old Mother Nature's temper flares. Your new ABC siding is pure seamless. No more splices or joints every 12 feet. No more stripes, streaks, or marks where constant shrinking and expanding rub away the finish. And no more seams to harbor dirt, dust, moisture, snow, and ice, or even those pesky insects. After all, seams just make a wall look dirty and unattractive. They'll lead to bulges, cracks, or even blow-offs, leaving an unsightly, beaten wall to remind you and your neighbors of boxed siding's many shortfalls.
With ABC Seamless steel siding, all those unsightly seams are eliminated, gone. Just look at the difference between a home sided with vinyl and a home sided with ABC seamless steel siding. Which would you rather come home to? And because it's steel, it's exceptionally stable. Any expansion or contraction is virtually imperceivable, and it won't melt or burn. That's especially important if your fire department is more than 2 minutes away from your home. Vinyl and polymer foam-backed siding can even succumb to the sun's radiant heat as it's redirected off today's energy-efficient windows. Whether it's adjacent to the wall or a window from the neighbor's home, the damage is done.
And such siding could easily ignite when exposed to flames. Homeowners with vinyl and polymer siding may not even realize that these products are petroleum-based with heat distortion as low as 160 degrees Fahrenheit and will support combustion soon after that. Once ignited, the fire can quickly spread up and along the wall as the air fills with black, toxic smoke, making it virtually impossible to even get near the home without a respirator. Within a few short minutes, the entire wall, even the home, could be ablaze. Some firefighters refer to these products as gasoline siding. We hope you'll keep that in mind. Our point is, don't play with fire. Play it safe. Minimize your risk from grass fires, forest fires, grills, propane tanks, or any other flammable source. Shield your home with permanent, non-combustible steel, withstanding temperatures to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. As a testimony to steel's superior flame resistance, a firefighter from this neighborhood's devastating inferno said, "If it hadn't been for the steel siding, this home would have been destroyed, and likely everything in it." ABC Seamless products have certainly stood the test of time. We've delighted hundreds of thousands of satisfied homeowners across the USA. And today, we even carry the same colors and finishes we started with in 1978, unlike most other siding manufacturers who frequently change their color selections, making those products obsolete. On top of that, our refined seamless siding is made right here in America, and as shown earlier, formed right at your home to guarantee a clean, seamless custom fit. That's the seamless touch. ABC Seamless also offers seamless steel log home siding with all the rustic charm of wood logs, but without the expensive, time-consuming repair or maintenance hassles. And just like ABC's traditional seamless siding, it delivers lasting durability and ageless beauty with distinct high-definition wood grain enhancements and a rugged, textured hone log appearance. You can also select from a forest of colors and styles, more than 30, and growing. Imagine! No more patching, sealing, staining, or repairing logs. Of course, woodpeckers and insects despise it, but the trees love it. Even log homeowners have made the transition. They've upgraded their old, cracking, deteriorating wood logs to permanent ABC seamless steel log siding, installed directly over their home's old exterior. Now they too are enjoying the lifestyle and the benefits of their virtually maintenance-free lifetime steel log home.
And how about ABC seamless steel gutter systems? You might say that's what started all this in the first place. ABC's strong, heavy-gauge steel gutters play such an important role by helping protect your home's structure and foundation. It's the same seamless technology that inspired ABC to create its seamless steel siding. ABC seamless designer gutters are custom fit exactly to the roofline, then attached with ABC's own heavy-duty steel gutter hangers screwed securely to the home for maximum hold and support. This gutter's unique design and complementing color choices blend perfectly into your home's exterior, creating a clean, seamless look you'll be proud of. You might want to prepare your home for torrential rains, too, by adding ABC's larger 4x3-inch downspouts. These color-matched spouts drain twice as much water from your gutter. And their durable extensions help direct that high volume of water out and away from your home's foundation, helping prevent costly damage from basement leaks or flooding, from landscape erosion, or even roof rot caused by backed-up, overflowing gutters. And speaking of overflowing, another helpful accessory is today's popular leaf guard that installs over the top of your gutter. Many ABC Seamless franchises offer these protective gutter attachments to help prevent clogs and plugs caused by leaves, twigs, and branches, pine cones, balls, birds, and squirrels. They significantly reduce the maintenance required to keep your gutters clean, clear, and working properly. That's one less problem to worry about. And ABC's soffit and fascia add the final decorative touch, creating a distinct, classic finish to your home or business. They cover all existing overhangs and roof edges to smooth out the overall appearance of your home. And they're all color matched using the same exclusive steel, so they integrate perfectly with your ABC Seamless siding or roofing. It'll give your home lasting beauty and greater value, while eliminating the need to paint those hard-to-reach places that are usually located along the highest, most hazardous areas of your home. You'll also appreciate the advantages and the value that come from ABC's interlocking steel soffit system. Like ABC's seamless steel siding, this soffit is custom-made, cut to the exact specifications for your home. You'll definitely notice how this soffit holds firm and snug to the overhang, thanks to its Pittsburgh lock design, a strong, tight-locking connection holding each piece firmly together. Lastly, the panels are screw-secured onto the home. You won't see this soffit pulling away, blowing away, or falling away. It's installed to stay, to last a lifetime.
Now let's take it up a notch, to the roof. We often wonder why homeowners are willing to spend their hard-earned money on roofing products, guaranteed to fail. That's what happens with asphalt shingles or wood shakes. When it's time to replace your roof, make it permanent and never replace your roofing again. Nearly all ABC Seamless locations offer today's most efficient lifetime roofing systems. Steel roofing that looks like shingles, wears like armor, all fastened down tight, screw secured to seal out wind, rain, ice, and snow. You can also choose from a variety of high-definition colors and styles, all featuring Energy Star certified cool roof technology with today's space-age Trinar paint finish. Trinar's unique formula reflects radiant heat off and away from the roof to help keep your attic and your home cooler in the summer. You'll find ABC Roofing is one of the industry's foremost energy-efficient roof systems, delivering more savings on your energy bills, too. And talk about durability. ABC roofs have earned the top-ranked Class 4 impact rating. It's undergone strenuous testing, meeting the same stringent guidelines as established by the acclaimed Underwriter Laboratories. Here's a roof that not only provides maximum defense against hail or other falling and flying debris, but is designed to hold fast, even in winds up to 160 miles per hour, the equivalent of an EF3 tornado. That's protection. ABC Roofing also carries the highest fire-resistant rating in the industry, protecting your roof and your home from such hazards as burning cinders or sparks from the chimney, or red-hot embers, even flames from a nearby fire. Wouldn't you want that peace of mind? Insurance companies do. Rather than write that enormous check to replace a roof or, even worse, a home, many insurance companies now reward those who protect their home with steel roofing by offering a reduction on their homeowner's insurance premium. It's one more benefit you might add to the list. Then top all that with this roof's tough, multi-coated finish, and you're getting a product that virtually defies the aging process. A roof guaranteed to last, backed by a lifetime, non-prorated, transferable warranty. This is the kind of protection you and your home need and deserve.
Seamless steel certainly looks great, but it's only the beginning of a long road of savings. As mentioned earlier, by adding ABC's blanket of insulation, you gain an even greater buffer against the effects and forces of Mother Nature. And together, this double layer of protection promotes energy efficiency, seamless beauty, and lasting durability for homes and businesses. This is especially important now that our environment demands the conservation of our natural resources. ABC's seamless siding and insulation have also earned the Energy Star of Approval from the United States Department of Energy. This is a tremendous accomplishment that we take seriously. Our insulation is specially designed to help conserve energy during both the hot and the cold seasons. United States Department of Energy says a high percentage of air leakage in homes comes from the walls, floors, and ceilings. It also says that by adding better insulation to these areas, it could, in some instances, cut the homeowner's heating and cooling bills dramatically. You could benefit from that as well. Of course, windows also play a significant role in conserving energy. Ask your ABC Seamless representative about custom replacement windows available at most locations and offering a choice selection of assorted styles, colors, and wood grain finishes. Many feature double and triple glass panes infused with argon gas filler to achieve a remarkably high insulating value. That helps keep homeowners warm and cozy throughout the winter and cool and refreshed during those hot summer months. Now that's year-round comfort and pure enjoyment. For fashion, function, and value, you need ABC Seamless as your windows expert.
And when it comes to maintenance, just toss that old scraper, ragged brush, and paint bucket out the door. Once you decide to put ABC Seamless products on your home, you'll never need to use those messy tools on your home's exterior again. Plus, you'll avoid the many dangers that go along with it, like working around power lines, balancing on the edge of your roof, or climbing unstable ladders. Instead, stay safe in the comfort of your virtually maintenance-free home. That's what you can look forward to with ABC Seamless.
Just think, spending your time doing the things you like to do instead of waking up to a day of tedious home repairs and painting. It's time to eliminate the work and the dangers of exterior home maintenance. Let the professionals at ABC Seamless take care of it for you. Once and for all, ABC customers enjoy a lifetime of satisfaction with a virtually maintenance-free home. It saves them precious time and energy, improves the resale value of their house, and renews their pride in ownership that comes from a beautiful new-looking home. They've become part of a lifelong family with ABC Seamless. You, too, will feel good about your home when you make the decision hundreds of thousands of other satisfied homeowners have already made. Feel the excitement. Watch your home take on a new look as ABC craftsmen transform it into a beautiful new place of distinction. It's like coming home to a new house at the same address, and you don't have to move. How would that make you feel? Now you can enjoy the enduring beauty you've always wanted, from the siding without the quacks. At ABC Seamless, we're on your side, the seamless side.